Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Amir Waluddin. You can call me Amir. And now I'm studying at Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta, majoring chemical engineering. And in here, I will explain to you about the screw press process in palm oil mill company. Now let's begin. Screw press is like this, and screw press there are two distinct methods of extraction oil from the digester material. On one system use mechanical press and it's called the dry method. The other called the wet method and use hot water to leach out of the oil. In the dry method, the objective of the extraction stage is to squeeze the oil out of a mixture of oil, moisture, fiber, and nuts by applying mechanical pressure on the digester mass. There are a large number of different types of press, but the principle of operation is similar for each. The press may be designed for batch or small amounts of material operated upon for a time period or continuous operation. First, batch process. In the batch operation, material is placed in a heavy metal cage and a metal plunger is used to press the material. The main difference in batch press design are follows. A. The method used to move the plunger and apply the pressure. B. The amount of pressure in the press. C. The size of the cage. The plunger can be moved manually or by motor. The motorized method is faster but more expensive. Different designs use either a screw turb or spindle press, or a hydraulic system or hydraulic press to move the plunger. Higher pressure may be attained using the hydraulic system, but care should be taken to ensure the poisonous hydraulic fluid does not contact to the oil or raw material. Hydraulic fluid and absorb moisture from the air and lose its efficiency, and the plunger wear out and need frequent replacement. Spindle press screw theirs are made from hard steel and have based softer steel nuts so that the nuts wear out faster than the screw. These are easier and cheaper to replace than the screw. The size of the check varies from 5 to 30 kg with an average size of 50 kg. The pressure should be increased gradually to allow time for the oil to escape. If the depth of material is too great, oil will be trapped in the center. To prevent this, heavy plates can be inserted into the raw material. The production rate of batch press depends on the size of the cage and the time needed to fill, press, and empty each batch. Hydraulic press are faster than spindle screw types, and powder press are faster than manually types. Some types of manually press require considerable effort to operate and do not elevate drag rate. And number 2, the continuous system. The early centrifuge and hydraulic process have no given way to specially designed screw press similar to those used for other oil steps. The consists of clearly protected cage through which runs a closely fitting screw. The jet fluid is continuously conveyed through the cage towards an outlet reset by a cone, which creates the pressure to expel the oil through the cage, profession or dreidel holes. Oil-bearing else that are not rooted in the digester will remain unopened in a hydraulic or centrifugal extraction system is employed. Screw press, due to the turbulence and kinetic action extraction on the fluid mass in the press cage, can effectively break open the unopened oil cells and release more oil. These presses act as an additional digester and are efficient in oil extraction. Moderate material wear crossing during the pressing operation. Creating of secure of in iron contaminant, the rate of wear depends on the type of press method. Method of processing not to fiber ratio, etc. High pressure are reported to have an adverse effect on the blood's ability and oxidative conservation of the extraction oil.